This 2023 Winnebago Travato VN is a miscellaneous RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, awning, TV, refrigerator, skylight, air conditioning, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this miscellaneous features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Winnebago Travato VN and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.